The purpose of this video is to show you how to renew materials using Destiny. You can click on either Destiny Quest or Follett, and if you click on Follett, it'll take you right to your school. Then you click on Login, and the single sign-on will automatically log you on. If you click then using your Microsoft login, and then you go to the My Info tab, and it'll show you what items you have checked out, your current due date, and when you checked it out. You can either click on Renew if you just have one item, or if you have multiple items, you can click on Renew All, and it will show you that your items have been renewed. And it reminds you to make a note of the due date, so that due date is listed here. And then all you have to do is make sure that you renew it again at the time that it's due again. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me via email or through Schoology. Thank you.